Hey guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to do another compare and contrast, a very brief one between Payhip and Stan Store. So which one is better? We're going to start with Payhip. Now we're going to use a 5-point system. As you can see here, when it comes to pricing, Payhip is 5 out of 5, which is amazing. Features is 3.5 out of 5. Website builder is 4 out of 5. Support is 3.5 out of 5. Ease of use is 5 out of 5, which is perfect, with a total of 4.2 out of 5, which is one of the best rated service providers in this niche. When it comes to the pros and cons, the pros of Payhip are as follows: easy to use admin area, multiple different digital product types on one platform, a free plan, decent website builder, and can be embedded on other websites. The cons, however, limited payment getaways and lack of SEO tools. When it comes to the pricing with Payhip, the pricing as follows. The free, of course, is free forever. Payhip Plus is $29 per month. You get unlimited products, all features, and unlimited revenue. When it comes to Payhip Pro, it is $99 per month, unlimited products, all features, and unlimited revenue. When it comes to Stan Store, we are going to use another 5-point system. When it comes to ease of use, it is 4.2 out of 5. Customer support, 3.8 out of 5. Tools it offers, which is marketing, SEO, and product tools, 3.8 out of 5. 25-point feature checklist is 4.1 out of 5. Testing projects is 4.2 out of 5. Customer user rating score, 4.8 out of 5, with almost 200 users. And overall rating is 4.15 out of 5. Now, the pros and cons of Stan Store are as follows. The pros are user-friendly interface, no sales commissions, only basic features for creators that keep it simple, built-in email list builder, simple and eye-appealing landing page templates, and a great link in bio option. When it comes to the cons, however, there are no free plans, how to enter your credit card for a free trial, basic online course creation, and limited payment gateway options. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.